Buongiorno paesani. I've been a little under the weather lately. That's why I haven't been posting any videos. But I'm feeling a little better. And today I am in Brampton, Ontario with, look at that, the Three Aces. Yes. A wonderful, wonderful man named Calogero Triassi. He is the pillar, the foundation of Three Aces here in Brampton, Ontario. It's their 4th annual family picnic, and I have the privilege and honor to attend and to be invited. So I made the trip to be one of their guests and spend the day with them. Ci sono tutte qua tagliate qua. I'm gonna switch the camera. Look at this. Qua giocano a bocce, c'è qui gioca a bocce, c'è chi mangia, c'è qui assettato. It's a beautiful day. We have all the flags, Sicily, Italy, the Three Aces, and of course Canada. We are proud of our roots. Siamo fieri di essere siciliani, italiani, canadesi. And we are spending the day with our fellow paesani. And today's word that I want to teach you is assittari or assittati. It means to be sitting. It means to sit. Assettati means sit down. Assittato means I'm sitting down. So that's the word. And in Italian we say seduti or siediti. That's today's word. I hope you enjoyed it. E come sempre ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.